Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's tutorial features an elegant eye makeup look inspired by this picture. This beautiful look is ideal for events or weddings and it only requires 2 eyeshadows. You can pick it up in just 3 minutes and I'm confident you will find it helpful in the future. So make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using this shimmer eyeshadow. I can say that it's truly a beautiful shade with a unique color. It's hard to define exactly what color it is. It has a green undertone and appears grayish in different lighting. With fine shimmer particles, I apply to the outer corner of my eyelid using a blending or fluffy brush and blend it well. I also switch my brush to a smaller fluffy one and start applying from the crease of my eyelid, extending it towards the inner corner. Next, I use concealer and a small flat brush to perform the cut crease technique. I start from the inner corner of my eyelid and follow the natural crease, drawing a curved line and extend it to the middle of my eyelid. It's best to use a concealer that dries quickly and has a matte finish, as it will make your work easier and prevent the concealer from spreading. Additionally, if you are a beginner, you can achieve this eye makeup look with practice and repetition. It's a very easy look and each time you try, you will improve, so be patient. This step is optional. I use a lighter eyeshadow from this palette and apply to the cut crease area to ensure that the concealer appears brighter. It also helps the concealer to set and dry better. Next, I use white loose glitter and apply to the center of my eyelid with my finger. For applying this, it's better to use a damp brush or apply glitter glue on your eyelid beforehand. For this eye makeup look, you can use your favorite eyeshadow palette. I'll provide the details of the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I also apply a thin line of eyeliner to finish this look, extending it to the middle of my eyelid. You can extend it to the inner corner of your eyelid based on your own preference. I apply this beautiful eyeshadow to my lower lash line, starting from the outer corner and extend it to the middle of the lower lash line. I also apply a bit of glitter to the inner corner of my lower lash line. Be sure to try this, it is so beautiful. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. This glamorous eye makeup look is very easy and practical. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to share it with your friends as well. If you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I post tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss any future videos. I truly appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.